वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Good morning, my dear students. Today's thought is labor doesn't go in vain. परिश्रम कभी भी व्यर्थ नहीं जाता है, इसीलिए व्यक्ति को हमेशा परिश्रम करते रहना चाहिए. जीवन के किसी न किसी मोड़ पर कभी न कभी आपके द्वारा किया गया परिश्रम आपके काम आता है, उसका प्रतिफल कहीं न कहीं मिलता है, वह व्यर्थ नहीं जाता है. यह कटु सत्य है. Thank you very much. Now today we will discuss about calculation of opening capital. My dear students, it is very clear that if there is a need to calculate interest on capital, always it will be calculated on the basis of opening capital. If closing capital is given in the question and drawings etc., drawings and other informations given in the question, then before calculating interest on capital, you have to calculate opening capital, because interest on capital will be allowed always on the basis of opening capital. Dear students, see here the format, please. Calculation of opening capital. Here you will draw a format to calculate opening capital. This is particulars, amount, 2 columns for amount. If there are 2 partners, you will draw 2 columns. If more than 2 partners, you will draw the columns as per your requirement. जितने पार्टनर्स हैं उतने यहाँ पर अमाउंट का कॉलम बना लिया जाएगा. एंड हियर यू विल राइट फर्स्ट कैपिटल एट द एंड. यू विल राइट इन ईच कॉलम कैपिटल एट द एंड of the concerned partner. After that, with this closing capital, it means capital at the end, add drawings during the year by the partner, each partner. Here find out the amount here after adding drawings with closing capital, right here. Any after that, out of total amount, less share of profit. Here write share of profit of concerned partner in the concerned column and deduct it out of this amount we have got. Find out a new amount here. Out of this new amount, total amount, again less additional capital. If any additional capital introduced by any partner, then this will be deducted here. And ultimately you got capital in the beginning, it means opening capital. This is the amount of opening capital. So with the help of this format which is given on also in your book, you can find out opening capital first. Then on the basis of opening capital you will calculate interest on capital, and the rate of interest on capital will be given in your question. As per rate you will calculate interest on capital. If there is no provision in the partnership deed, it means in your question, then no interest on capital will be allowed to any partners. You know very well. This is the important point here. Now, in a brief, to start our next numericals, I want to make it clear before all of you to calculate interest on drawings, right? If in your question it is given that interest on drawings will be charged on partners withdrawal, then as per rate which is given for interest on drawings, you will calculate interest on drawings. But here this is the question that what will be the time for that. Then time for interest on drawings will be calculated since withdrawal made by any partners. Date of withdrawal to closing date of the accounting period, that will be the time. Suppose that accounting period started on April 1st this year and will be last at 31st March next year, and drawings made on July 1st. Then you will calculate time from July, August, September, October, November, December, and 3 months for next year, January, February, March. It means it will be 6 plus 3, 9 months. For 9 months, you will calculate interest on drawings. You will calculate time since date of withdrawal. It will be given in your question. If date of withdrawal is not given, then how can you calculate interest on drawings? Then, as per accounting rule, you will calculate interest on drawings only for 6 months. The time will be 6 months. Suppose that drawings during the year by a partner is 8,000 and rate of interest on drawings is 15%, but date of withdrawal is not given. Then how can you calculate interest on drawings? You will calculate interest on drawings like this: 8,000 into rate of interest on drawings 15 by 100 into time is not given. That's why this will be calculated only for 6 months into 6 by 12. Find out. This is 600 interest on drawings for that particular partner. So like that you will calculate interest on drawings. If date of withdrawal is given, then since that date you will calculate up to end of accounting period, year time, and place of 6 you will write that time, and formula will be same. Interest on rate of interest on drawings, it is very clear. It will be given in your question. And if there is no mention regarding interest on drawings, then interest on drawings will not be charged. As per Partnership Act 1932, interest on drawings will not be charged. But if in your question, it means in your partnership deed, this is given to charge interest on gap, there is a provision to charge interest on drawings, then accordingly you will calculate first interest on drawings and then you will write in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. You know very well. Dear students, after preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, there are two methods to prepare partners' capital accounts. If in your question it is given that when partners' capitals are fixed, then open partners' capital account or draw partners' capital account or prepare partners' capital account, then in this case you should open two separate accounts for partner after preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. First account will be called partners' capital account. Here you may see when capitals are fixed, first account will be partners' capital accounts. Only invested capital of partner you will write opening capital by balance BD opening capital here. If suppose that there are three partners A, B and C, draw three columns for each, 1, 2, 3 for their amounts by balance BD opening capital. Here you will write, and if any additional capital brought in the partnership business by the partners, you will write here by cash or by bank account or the partners respectively for A, B and C additional capital. And here in debit side, two cash or two bank account. This is for drawings. Drawings against capital, if any, there are two drawings. If drawings against profit, it means partner will continue in the business, then here no entry will be made for this drawing. If partner is going to retire or the firm is going to close, then in this case, when for withdrawal of amount against capital of partner, it means permanent capital, then here you will write two cash or two bank account. In brief, you can understand that if a withdrawal of partner's capital after retirement or after dissolution of the partnership business, then he will write here 2 cash or 2 bank drawings against capital. Otherwise, you will not write for drawings here. Only you will find out 2 balance CD, closing balance, and write here. This is partners capital accounts when capitals are fixed. And after that, you will open partners current accounts. This closing balance you will write in this side, credit side, by balance BD, credit balance. This balance you will carry on here. A for A, B and C if there are 3 partners. All appropriation which you have written firstly in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, you will record here in credit side of partners current account, like partners interest on capital, by partners salary if any, you write in amount column, by partners commission if any, write in amount column. And if there is a share of profit in profit and loss appropriation account, you will write in this side, credit side in partners current account, by profit and loss appropriation account, share of profit, right, respectively in the column of partners. And in debit side, if there is no credit balance in the question, if there is a debit balance in the question, you will write 2 balance BD for opening capital. If any drawings, you will write 2 drawings. This drawings is regular in nature. If partners withdraw and business is going on, partners withdraw cash or goods from the business to their personal use, then in this sense you will write 2 drawings account for the partners A, B and C respectively. 2 interest on drawings, if interest will be charged against drawings, then you will write here 2 interest on drawings in debit side, the respective column of partners. If there is a loss in place of profit in profit and loss appropriation account, then in place of this profit and loss appropriation account, share of profit, you will write in debit side 2 profit and loss or share of loss. It means only one situation will be there, either profit or loss. If profit, you will write by profit and loss account in credit side, or in place of profit if there is a loss, so in profit and loss appropriation account, you will write in debit side 2 profit and loss account, share of loss in respective column of partners A, B and C. After that, after plus minus, you will find out balance. After balancing of this partners current account, you will find out closing balance of current account, 2 balance CD. It means in case of partners capitals are fixed, 2 accounts will be prepared. First account name partners capital account, second account name partners current account. But if there is a clear instruction given in the question that when capitals are fluctuating, in this case only partners capital accounts will be prepared. There is no need of partner current account to prepare here. This will be prepared only when capitals are fluctuating, or if no instruction is given in the question, either for fixed capital account or fluctuating capital account, then also in this case it will be assumed that partners capitals are fluctuating and only one account for partners, that is partners capital accounts, will be prepared. Now listen it carefully. If there is no instruction, in this case only one account partners capital accounts will be prepared after profit and loss appropriation account, and if there is a clear instruction that partners capitals are fluctuating, also in this case only one account partners capital accounts will be prepared. There is no need of partners current account to prepare here. And how can you prepare partners capital account when there is no instruction in the question, or when partners capitals are fluctuating? Then first of all you will write by balance BD the opening balance. If any credit balance you will write here in debit side. If any credit balance you will write in credit side, A, B and C respectively. And if there is any debit balance, in place of this entry you will write in debit side 2 balance BD, debit balance, debit opening balance of capital. Either it will be 1, either it will be debit balance or credit balance of partner's capital. So as per instruction given in the question, as per information given in the question regarding partner's capital, you will record this. After that, all appropriations which you have recorded in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, you will carry on here. By interest on capital, by partner's salary, by partner's commission, and if any additional capital introduced by partner, you will write here by cash, by bank, the respective column of partners. And if there is any share of profit in profit and loss appropriation account, you will write here by profit and loss appropriation account share of profit. In debit side, you will write to cash or bank if any drawings by partners, any partners. If any interest charge on drawings, you will write in debit side to interest on drawings in the respective column of partners A, B and C. And in place of share of profit, if it is a share of loss, you will write in debit side to profit and loss account share of loss in the respective column of partners A, B and C. After that, you will balancing this partners capital account, and if this credit side is more than debit side, then balance will be here to balance CD. This is closing balance of partners capital A, B and C. Will write here. It means you should understand that if capitals are fluctuating, you will add these two accounts, merge these two accounts, partners capital accounts and partners current accounts, into partners capital account. Thank you, my dear.